Good morning, welcome back to Matt Explores and welcome back to a very special Truckside video. We're Truckside on the Dean Forest Railway. Also, this is the southern end of the Severn Wye railway line. We've just seen the barriers just to come down, so we're expecting our first locomotive of the day to arrive sometime soon. I'm guessing it's the 08 with their guard van special. It's come down from the Orchard, and following that will be 5541 the Prairie. So yeah, here we are, we're all set up, Truckside on the Dean Forest Railway. I'm just approaching into view now, as I thought I was right. It's the 08 with the guard van special. It's just come down from the Orchard. Okay, it's nothing much, but at least we're underway. The next one is the 55. I think I got a good spot. As you can see, the 08 and the guard van special is still here. It came in from the Orchard, it came in on the outside of the curve, detached from its guard van, went round to the points at the bottom, came back up the line and then crossed the road up that way for the first time, waited for the points to set, and went back onto its guard van, onto the two guard vans, then pushed the guard vans, and then it pushed the guard vans back round the corner, over the points, brought it back round, up that way, across the road for the third time, up and round, and then it's backed on to the inside of the curve, and now it's got to wait there now for the 55 that will come in on the outside of the curve. We haven't got to see the 55 yet, and they've got a lot of action. This is going to be a good day, hopefully. We've been waiting long enough. It started, it left Parkett, it left Lindley Junction at 10:15. The barriers are down, the lights are flashing. Our first steam engine on the Dean Forest Railway will be approaching just around that corner in about 5-10 minutes, something like that. So we'll see what it is. Hopefully it'll be 55. I haven't heard the whistle yet. I'm going by the whistle. So yeah, it's bright, it's sunny, it's warm, and I've got the sun behind me, which is good for the shot. So we'll see what it is when it just pops around that corner in about 5 minutes. Oh, fantastic. Oh, I haven't seen that engine move for over a year now. It's been too long. Too long. The last time I spotted here, the last time I spotted on the Dean Forest Railway, they had the 100 Austerity and not the 55. There's something special about this engine. That's the part, sounds the part. We're up and running. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, I love to see that old girl. That engine was built in 1928. She's an old girl. She's a very, very old girl. Right, from the pleasure of seeing 5541 back in steam, I think we'll just say goodbye to Right, next time we'll see that, we'll be north of here. Right, we'll stay here until the 55 has gone on to its front of the train, and then we'll chase it up to Park End, and we'll spot between Park End and Norchard. I've got something else special to show you guys as well as the 55. It's so nice seeing steam again on the Dean Forest Railway. It's the opening weekend, it's day 2 of the opening weekend, and that is the gorgeous 5541 Small Prairie, built in 1928. Not bad for a grand old girl, is she? Right, next time we see her, it'll be north of where we are at Lindley Junction. So we'll be in the woods next time we see her, and she'll be moving up at a nice steady pace, but hopefully with a good roar of steam as she does. As for now, we're going to see her depart from Lindley Junction. Hey, whoops. Too much. That's a daisy. That was a grand departure. I think she found it a little bit slipping a little bit. I mean, she's put in 1, 2, 3, 4 coaches, so yeah, a little slippy. Right, time to chase her. And what we'll do now is we'll go north of where we are, and then we'll see her in the woods, going up between Orchard and Park End. So I'll see you a little bit later, a little bit further up the line. Welcome back. I've moved up from Lydney Junction, where I started the video, and the first time you saw 5541. Unfortunately, we just missed it. I just got here as it was just getting towards, as it was just coming up the line from Whitecroft. So, context where we are. Whitecroft is that way, and behind me to the north is Park End, the terminus for the Dean Forest Railway. I think we'll stay here for it to return southbound, and then we'll move somewhere else, probably towards Orchard, to get it on the return trip when it returns back north. So we're back up and running. It made a lovely sound, a lovely sight as it was coming up from Whitecroft. See, in full flow, full sound and full exhaust. So I'll try and get that on the next run, so wherever I am. And it's not a dead given where I am. I'll try and mix up a little bit with different locations. So at the moment it's up at Park End. We'll see it as it returns when it goes back down to Lydney Junction. Got my brew. So it's good to see steam again back on the Dean Forest Railway, what was part of the Southern Y Railway. We've just come from Lydney Junction, and the line ran all the way up to Cinderford. The line started 1870, something like that, and it was all closed just before 1965, I think, somewhere around there anyway. Remember all that track I was talking about? It's on my Explorer of Tiddenham Tunnel in the Y Valley line. Well, some of that track is at Lydney Junction, and what they're hoping is to use that track for future ambition or future plan to go from Park End up to Cinderford. Whether that will happen or not, we don't know. We don't know. But wouldn't it be great to go a little bit closer to home, to walk from home, to do a bit of train spotting, and to see a steam engine once again come up from Park End to Cinderford, up that 1 in 100, that 1 in 150 or whatever it is, whatever steep. I'd love to see it, I really would. So, got my cup of coffee, we're waiting for 5541 to return southbound, and then we'll see where we end up from there. It's going to be a busy day. This is the first run of 4. We've got 3 raw runs to do before they close, shut up shop for the day, for the weekend. And we'll be opening again on Wednesday, and then every weekend from now through the summer. Hopefully things will start to calm down now and we'll get back going and see more action, more steam again on the Dean Forest Railway, and hopefully again on the SVR. Cheers. It's on its way southbound with a return train back down to Norchard. I suspect it's running downhill, so it's running off throttle. The next time we see her, we'll be pulling out of Norchard. One of my favourite spots I spotted from last year, where we saw the Hunter Austerity pull 4 coaches, but that engine does make a nice noise when she's pulling, especially pulling uphill. I don't quite know what it'd be like today with the high cloud, but at Norchard it's quite a high embankment and hillside, and it's in a bowl shape. The sound will bounce around the valley, around the bowl before it reaches us, and then heads up north back up to Park End. Plus there is something I want to show you guys when we get down there, so rejoin me as we return southbound just outside of Norchard. Right, while we're waiting for the steam train to return north and get to our favourite, get to a really good spot to see it, I'd like to draw your attention to that. And this is the thing I want to show you guys. This is an adit, or a drainage adit of water that comes from the inner workings of Norchard Colliery. When this place was way before it was a terminus and headquarters of the Dean Forest Railway, it used to be a colliery, and a very rough one too. We're at the very bottom of the Cannock Valley. Okay, and Cannock Colliery, infamous Cannock Colliery, is also a wet colliery. It's the unique nature, of the geography of the Forest of Dean being in a bowl shape. You remember that from my Explorer Blackmore Colliery. 20,000 litres a minute, give or take, of water flow out of this pipe. Also it's the red outside, as you can see. As you can see there, the stone underneath the flow of water is sort of a yellow colour, and that's due to the red, the oxide that runs through the iron ore and the iron stone that goes deep within, under our feet and deep within the hillside. This place used to have a pump to put water out the quarry. When that pump was switched off, it had a domino effect all the way up the Cannock Valley, and no wonder that eventually it brought to a close. The quarries in the Forest of Dean and all the way to the Cannock Valley, due to that stuff there encroaching and ingressing in the workings. Yeah, there's a lot of water still flowing, even flows even faster in the winter with more water. So I just thought I'd show you that before we return north back to our favourite spot to see the train go north. So that's what that is. It's an adit with water. Comes to the workings a lot more Norchard Colliery. I've returned truckside from showing you guys the little adit of water that was coming out of the workings of Norchard Colliery. Now we're back truckside, and I think we've got the prairie that's facing northbound, so hopefully in a little bit it'll be going that way and we'll get a really good shot, and that awesome bark and that punting power the only Great Western Prairie, especially this one, makes. She's a little one, but she packs an absolute punch in noise and beauty. So we'll stay here and see what happens. Told her she sounded quite nice. That did disappoint, didn't it? Wow, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, I think we'll head back north again. What I really want, the ultimate shot I really want, is it going northbound coming out of Whitecroft Station. It means I'm hanging around for a while, but I've got a really good spot close to the line, but on the safe side of the fence. So yeah, good fun, onwards and upwards. Right, I'm back just north of Whitecroft in the same place where I saw the 55 come up in full glory, full noise, full exhaust, the whole shebang, as it was heading north towards Park End. It's been a good day, it's been a long day, it's been a good day train spotting, and it's been brilliant seeing steam again on the Dean Forest Railway and seeing something move again on the Dean Forest Railway. So after it's done and turned round at Park End and then return south back to Orchard, we'll call it a day for this video. So if you liked this video, I'm hoping to get more trackside, not only on the Dean Forest Railway, also up Kidderminster on the Severn Valley Railway, hopefully sometime later on this year. So we'll hang tight here and wait for the 55 to come up for the last time in this video. Just as it's gone quiet traffic wise, you can hear that throbbing heartbeat of the gorgeous 55. Go on, old girl. Built in 1928 and still going strong. I just suspected that it looks like it got a fresh crew on their footplate, so it wasn't quite as dramatic as it was first time I saw her up here, but that'll do. Perfect. So as the 55 is waiting to put into Park End Station, it's been a good day, it's been a long day, and hopefully I got the shots that I want, and now it's getting to turn around and getting this video edited. So from being trackside for the first time this year on the Dean Forest Railway, I'll see you again in another video.